Hello, this is Ted Gambordella, and I want to give an example of some outstanding world-class customer service. I was recently at my church garage sale, and I bought a brand new Hoover wind tunnel vacuum cleaner. It was new in the box, it had never been taken out, but it didn't work when I got it home, and I called up Hoover, and they took me step by step to try and fix it, and it couldn't be fixed, and they actually sent me a brand new Hoover Zen Whisper Vacuum cleaner. Now that is outstanding customer service. Now I had a receipt and it said it was new, but it was from the church. And they gave me a brand new vacuum cleaner because my vacuum cleaner I bought from the church did not work. Now I just want to say thank you to the Hoover people. That is outstanding customer service. And if you ever need a great vacuum cleaner, I highly recommend Hoover. This is Ted Gambordella. I'll see you next time.